All right, so the NGX market surged about 6.57% in 1 week. The market cap rose to around 139.8 trillion naira. Now, investors gained over 8.66 trillion naira in a single week, and that's massive. But let's not just stop at the numbers, okay? This is not just a market rally. It is a liquidity event plus capital repositioning. Now, a 6.5% weekly move is not normal. Now, that tells you that large amounts of capital entered the market and quickly. And when that happens, it's usually because investors are, repositioning away from something else or they're chasing a new opportunity window. As of last week, the Tony Elumelu move on the Seplat energy, we know of that, the bank sectors. So money is not static, it's constantly searching for advantage. Coupled with the fact that the government um you know made use of forgotten money, dividends and the rest and invested it somewhere. So anyways, this does not necessarily mean that the economy is getting better. Well, not necessarily. So markets can surge because of inflation, assets rising, currency weakness, stocks becoming cheaper in dollar terms, excess liquidity looking for return. So this could actually mean that money is trying to protect itself, not celebrate growth with enough investors here. Okay, so the 8.66 trillion naira didn't just appear, it moved. So the real question is, where did that money come from? And possibilities are it could be from fixed income, equities, from cash, stocks, institutional repositioning, or foreign or local large players entering into the market. Now, this a strong rally like this usually means the early movers are already in profit. And by the time it becomes, weekly review, market surges, investors in trillion. Investors, petty investors, well, I won't call them petty anyways. You know, those who are not the big players will be like, wow, this market is moving. Am I early? No, in most cases, the big boom has gone. And anyway, still don't be discouraged, okay? Whenever you're fit to get into the stock market,